Hi everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make some cute little beaded stars. I'm going to show them to you. These are some little stars beaded with 11 seed beads, and I have used them in my braided bracelet. They are very easy to do and you can make with them a lot of things. You can use them as charms or you can make earrings or bracelets, chokers, etc, etc. So they are really easy. And what we will need to make our stars, we will need some 11 seed beads, and we are using some Miyuki 11 seed beads, and they are called Azure, Miyuki Azure. I will leave you in the description below all the supplies needed to make our little stars. Then we will need a size 12 needle and a 0.15 millimeters Fairline thread. I recommend you not to use a higher diameter of thread because we are going to pass through the beads more times, so you will need a thinner thread. The first step we have to do is to pick up 5 11 seed beads and bring them at the end of the thread. Then pass again through the whole sequence of beads and pull the thread again. The thread exits one of the 11 seed beads. Pick up one 11 seed bead and pass through the next 11 seed bead. And repeat this step till the end of the round. Obviously, at the end of the round, you have to pass the thread through the next bead and the other one. So you have to pass the thread through 2 beads to start another round. For the second round, we have to pick up 2 11 seed beads and pass through the next 11 seed bead, and repeat this step till the end of the round. At the end of the round, pass again through the 2 next seed beads and pull the thread. This is the final result. So we have made this sort of disc, and now we are ready to start another round. As you can see, we have the thread exiting one of the beads of the couple we have just added to the work. So the thread exits the first bead on the right. Pick up 2 11 seed beads and pass through the next 11 seed bead. Then you have to pass through the bead in the middle and the next bead to start another arm of the star. In this way, with our herringbone technique, we are going to make our star arms. So Once you add 2 beads in a couple of beads, you have to pass through 3 beads to make the second arm, the second, the third, and so on. So repeat this step until the end of the round. As you can see, our star is taking its shape. So at the end of the round, you have to pass through the right column of beads to start another round, to make another other steps with a couple of beads. So pick up 2 11 seed beads and pass through the next 3 beads from the top to the bottom. Pull the thread, then pass again through the next 2 beads from the bottom to the top, and repeat this step until the end of the round. This is the last steps we are going to make to build our arms. Once we have finished, we have to add only 1 seed beads on the arms of our star to make the points. So bring the thread exiting the right part of the arm of our star. Pick up 1 11 seed bead and pass through the next 4 beads from the top to the bottom. Then pass through the next 3 beads and repeat this step until the end of the round. So our star is just finished. I'm going to make some knots and cut the thread. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video and hit like and send me comments under the video. So in this way you are going to support my work. And the star is finished. Once you have finished them, you can make whatever you want. You can make some earrings, some bracelets, some necklaces, and so on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.